What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Venture Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, as y'all can see, I'm in an Infiniti G35, and we'll be doing another POV drive, but in manual mode, but this time with the traction control turned off the whole video. The last video I didn't do it with the traction control because I want to see a difference. Like, does the traction control really make a difference? So let's find out in today's video. So let's go ahead and turn on the car. Ooh, let's go ahead and rev it real quick. Oh my god, this thing sounds so good. All right, let's do it. Oh, there we go. Are we in there? And like I said, guys, like if you're in manual mode, it will automatically shift down for you, so you ain't gotta worry about that. So I feel like it do kind of make a difference. It feel a little bit more quicker, I ain't gonna lie. I think it do make a difference. I ain't gonna lie, this thing felt a lot quicker. A lot of people always ask too, like, how do I drive in manual mode? It's really easy, man. Like, you know, when you drive in manual mode, you know, you can go all the way up to like 6,500 RPMs, but don't go under that, because of course it's the red and you know you don't want to do that. But what I usually do is I usually give it a good pull out of first gear, a good pull into second gear, and then like from third, fourth, from third and fourth I'll probably like do 4,000 or 5,000 RPM. I don't try to do too much, but like my first two good pulls is like out of first and second. How like the jerkiness, like when you put it in manual mode, I like the jerkiness that comes from driving in manual mode. It kind of give it like you're driving a stick shift, just a little bit. It's not like the same effect, but you know, just a little bit, Let's do a dig, man. Okay. But I really feel like this car is gonna pull harder when I get better tires too. I need tires for this car. I feel like it's gonna pull way harder when I get the tires. It's gonna pull way harder when I get the intake, and so much more stuff I plan on putting on this car later down this year. I feel like it's gonna make a big difference. So I'm glad I'm doing these videos now, because it's like kind of like my before, you know, online, so that you guys can see, but also I can see, you know, the different parts I'll be adding to this car, how different it'll be. So I'm really excited about that. It seems like with traction control off, the car pulls way better. So I'm liking that. And I know y'all wondering what happened right here. The slap did it. Those 210s did it, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Those comp Qs ain't no joke. I had the seats down and I was slapping some Lil Wayne swag surfing. Boy, the whole mirror done came off, man. Oh man. Woo, I need rev match in this car, man. That's the biggest difference when it comes to the G37 and the G35, like manual mode. What makes the G37 just more funner in manual mode is that rev match. Man, like only if y'all could hear this car in person, man. I'm telling you, only if you can hear this car in person. I don't want to do this video for too long. I just wanted to see like the biggest difference when it comes to traction control off and on. I could definitely see a difference, a little bit of difference. I feel like with traction control off, you get way better of a response to me. Like it seems like it pulls a little bit quicker than it was when it was on. It seemed like it had like a mini delay when it's on, but it only has a little bit of a delay when it's off. So that's what I kind of noticed with it. I don't know if y'all can hear those pops, man, but golly. Woo. So I'll probably do one more pull over here and then I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I like filming videos like this. I really like doing driving videos. This is fun to me because I really do like to drive my cars. And I know you guys like it too. It shows in the views. You guys really like the driving videos, so I'm gonna keep on doing them. And like I said, I do plan on modding this car this year. I should be getting a couple of performance parts within the next couple of months. So my first set of performance parts you guys will find out because I'll be announcing it when I order it. But I kind of gave you guys a hint, which is an intake, but that's all you guys know for right now. Out of second gear. Look at all that dust. Left them in the dust. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead and leave me a like. Don't forget to comment. And don't forget to subscribe, man. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And you guys can help me out by simply liking the video, subscribing, you know, commenting, and let me know what you guys think about the video. That way my videos could reach a broader audience and more people could subscribe and more people could join the family so we could get bigger. I'm trying to get this channel bigger by the end of the year, hopefully. And like I said, you guys can help that out. Been putting in a lot of work for you guys. I've been putting in a lot of work for you guys, and I feel like we should take this channel to the next level. So that all comes up to you guys. But yeah, man, I really do appreciate the ones who've been supporting since day one. I really do appreciate the ones that have been supporting since day one. Your support never goes unnoticed. I promise you it doesn't. I thank you, I thank you, I thank you. You guys don't know that with you guys supporting, you guys give me all the energy to post, and you guys keep me going. So I really do thank you. I thank you. I couldn't thank you enough. So, you know, thank you again. And this video is over. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.